Welcome to SharePointIQ, a world of SharePoint technology where you can enhance your skill to step forward in your world of technology. For more information you can visit the website. You can make the things happen which you dream to do with us. You will be trained by the Microsoft certified trainer, so there is no chance to failure. I am all-rounder. I am specialized in different criteria including development and administration, architect, SharePoint infrastructure engineer, training, analysis, UAT and off-course project management. My task is to make your path easy to find your goal. You can also become specialist and can get certification that make you valuable in industry. And, the most important thing is what you exactly want in your life. If you are a beginner in your car or will IT, then choose SharePoint. Either you want change, then switch to SharePoint. Now, the question arises, what exactly is the SharePoint? The answer is so simple: a web application platform developed by Microsoft that provide the functionality of content management, customization. It is a mixture of OOTB out-of-box capability. SharePoint is built upon the .NET technology. For more information log on to www.sharepointiq.in, where you will use SharePoint. Definitely this question will arise in your mind. For company intranet, document management, team collaboration portals, external customer portals, offload scenarios, search, project management, and for public internet sites, the ratio of companies who used SharePoint in 2015 increases to 80%. Including large and small companies like insurance, financial manufacturers and many more, and Microsoft is adding near about 20,000 SharePoint users every day. One question arises: why should you choose CAR in SharePoint? The best answer would be for stability, security and prosperity in life, because it will give opportunity. There are lots of openings in companies, that will be in SharePoint. Your roles would be of an administrator, a developer, business analyst, as a project manager, power user, an architect, designer and trainer. When you compare these roles in the chart, then you will better understand the requirement in industry. The chart showing the ratios, as SharePoint led 6%, SharePoint Analyst 7%, SharePoint Architect 10%, SharePoint Consultant 5%, SharePoint Administration 22%, SharePoint Developer 50%. Now, compare the salary that is given by industry in different country. The highest salary given by USA. Now, give a look on demand of SharePoint in the country. The highest demand is in USA and second highest demand is in India. Here you can compare the software for content management. The SharePoint has 1,191 jobs in last 30 days worldwide. Compare the salary of .NET in Washington with SharePoint. SharePoint developer can get $87,000, whereas in .NET it is only $23,000. You will learn SharePoint somewhere as it is overwhelming. If you are a part of another job function as department manager, and administrative assistant, team leader, legal profession, analyst, then boost your skills and act as a power user. When you work as a SharePoint business analyst, you will get job growth from starting. You will be responsible for the job function as understanding what SharePoint technology can do, understand the difficulty in creating solutions, meeting with users and stakeholders to understand their needs and solve them with the help of SharePoint, as well as responsible to create document as test cases, functional documents, technical documents, process flow charts, cost savings analysis. As a project manager you will be on the top of task, deal with many different types of people and persons, handle the stressful situations. You have to balance the dependency as well. SharePoint administrator has the following roles: monitoring, troubleshooting, patching and upgrades to servers, troubleshoot issues, cloud and virtualization technologies, internet server, IIS, configuration and understanding, Active Directory and different types of authentication, networking experience such as TCP/IP, DNS, firewalls, security, SAN, routers, backups, PowerShell to automate manual processes, knowledge of complementary database technologies such as SQL Server, security. As a SharePoint developer you need good understanding of .NET and C#, good at detailed, analytical, troubleshooting, InfoPath, SharePoint Designer, JavaScript and PowerShell. As a SharePoint architect you need skills that would be good like detective, capacity planning, topology, integration, make relationship between physical and logical architecture, use of custom solution, deployment process, subject matter, Export the best way to create and build custom solutions. If you want to know car in SharePoint, then you are free to explore the new technologies and give lot of time to your car. When you feel this path best for your car, then do not worry. You can check our website for more information, and if you are sure, then let's start it as soon as possible. We plan your car according to your present skill and status, as well as according to your goal. You know very well no one can become an expert overnight. It's okay, let's start from now. Feel free to contact us when you plan to grow your car. For detailed information, call us on 955558048 and email us on sharepointiq.info@gmail.com. You can also visit on following website: SharePointIQ.in, SharePoint-training.in, SharePoint Training in Noida.in, and live online SharePointTraining.com, powered by Orbex Technologies Private Limited.